I'm going to show you in this video how to install a shutter where the window butts up to a wall and there is no surface to mount a shutter on. You could handle this in a couple ways. You could do an inside mount shutter, which would set the shutter inside the window opening, or in this case the customer wanted a decorative frame that's mounted on the outside, and we're going to show you how you can do that even when you don't have a surface to mount to. For this shutter, you will need to order some stock to go down the side of the windows, typically 1.5 inches wide by 1.5 inches wide. And we suggest pre-drilling some holes. In this situation, we'll do about 3 holes for the mounting screws. And we'll explain that in the next step. Go ahead and place the side strips in the windows, and then you will attach to the side. Once you've secured the extension to the side of the window, you're ready to install the shutter. Once your frame is ready to go, put it in front of the window and you'll be ready to install. Go ahead and install the frame by raising into place. Any questions? Give us a call. Order today.